to tides that ebb and flow. I'm the one the ocean chose to stay. Salted air, my skin is blessed with sunlight prayers, head to toe in lace ribbon. Oh, July couldn't stay, it was already near the ending of a summer you'd be starring in, holding this close before the autumn approach. Baccarat in the sunroom, I never win, but I bet on the banker you do with a grin, holding this close before the autumn approach. Seashell words you spoke so soft I barely heard. Now you are the loudest thing in my brain. Sandy feet spin me around this empty beach. I don't wanna walk paved streets back in the city. Oh, July couldn't stay, it was already near the ending of a summer you'd be starring in, holding this close before the autumn approach. Baccarat in the sunroom, I never win, but I bet on the banker you do with a grin, holding this close before the autumn approach. Au revoir to a summer shot on a film, champagne on the ceiling, sun on the sill, holding this close before the autumn approach. Shades of red, white and blue cover the darkened sky on the 4th of July. Keep sailing toward this moment, anchors up clear coasting. Oh, July couldn't stay, it was already near the ending of a summer you'd be starring in, holding this close before the autumn approach. Baccarat in the sunroom, I never win, but I bet on the banker you do with a grin, holding this close before the autumn approach. Au revoir to a summer shot on a film, champagne on the ceiling, sun on the sill, holding this close before the autumn approach. Never been the one, wanna sit around waiting in line for a boy like you. All these cheap words falling out your mouth, hit it all before, give me something new. I can smell it on you from a mile away. I know what you're gonna say and it ain't true. Don't wanna walk away with a bitter taste, don't wanna regret that I met you. What you gonna say, what you gonna do? Talking all that talk, will you follow through? If I give you my time, will you step it up? It's the same again, and now I'm calling you bluff. You will be saying, mommy, I have you thinking, wow, I think you got potential to maybe lock this thing down. You better one and done me. The red carpet rolled out. I think you got potential to maybe lock this thing down.
Okay.
To maybe lock this thing down. My girls be saying that I should open up. Oh, I never found that true kind of love. But all these boys are talking to make me fall, and all I hear is white noise. It takes something real to get into my space. You're getting close, but I won't walk away. I must admit that I enjoy the chase. Now you're becoming my choice. What you gonna say, what you gonna do? Talking all the is so real, feeling it like a hurricane. Just let it all go, and I promise I'll take control. You will be saying, "Mommy, I have you thinking, wow, I know you got potential."